We just got this electric Blackstone griddle because we wanted to make meals more fun. What I really like about this is that it's very portable. You can put it on any surface and you don't need a lot of space for it. And the top cover is made of glass and detachable. That makes it so much easier to clean it. You can put this on any flat surface, but we bought this stand separately, so it makes it nicer and more convenient. And look how nice how you can turn the temperature into different settings for this griddle. It's very convenient, so you can just cook 2 different foods at the same time. I love how versatile this is. You can make breakfast, dinner, or lunch foods with it. Me and my family love making burgers on this. I prefer this than a grill because it's way easier to clean and low maintenance. You might ask, why just don't I use my stove? Honestly, it's just more convenient for me. It's just whenever your family is there and you need to whip up an entire bunch of burgers at once, this is just faster. Just think of the cleanup that you need to do with your stove. With this griddle, you just simply cover it and then let the grease flow to the grease pan and you're done. And I just want to point out that the grease pan is attached to the back of this griddle and it is detachable. Once I'm done cooking, I just like wiping it up with a paper towel to get rid of the grease and just wipe it with a damp cloth, and that's about it. Cleanup usually takes me about 2-3 minutes. I like this griddle so much. Go check it out yourself. You might like it too.